this is going to sound crazy, but I just discovered something that's going to make you furious and excited at the same time. You know how you probably spent like $200 at Sephora last month on skincare that promised to change your life? Well, I've been testing beauty recipes that literally use garbage from my kitchen for the past 3 months, and my skin has never looked better than now. I'm talking about ingredients you throw away every single day that work better than those fancy serums with names you can't pronounce. Your great-grandmother was basically running a secret beauty laboratory with stuff from her pantry. And somehow we forgot all of this wisdom and started paying premium prices for inferior products wrapped in planet-killing plastic. I'm about to blow your mind, save you serious money, and possibly make you the most glowing person in your friend group. Welcome back to Infinite Infotainment, where we dive deep into the mind-blowing world of sustainable living that actually makes sense. I'm your host, and today we're about to embark on a beauty revolution that's going to make you question why you ever thought you needed 17 different serums in plastic bottles. If you're new here, we make learning about our planet fun, fascinating, and surprisingly profitable for your wallet. So buckle up, because this journey is about to get wild. Let's start with a reality check that's going to make your jaw drop. The global beauty industry produces over 120 billion units of packaging every year. That's 120 billion plastic containers, tubes, and bottles that are mostly non-recyclable. To put that in perspective, if you lined up all those containers end to end, they would circle the earth nearly 400 times. And here's the kicker. Most of these products contain maybe 5 to 10 actual ingredients, but we're paying premium prices for fancy packaging that's literally destroying our planet. But here's where it gets really interesting. I spent 3 months researching zero-waste beauty alternatives, and what I discovered is going to blow your mind. Not only are these eco-friendly swaps better for the environment, they're actually more effective than their chemical-laden, plastic-wrapped counterparts. We're talking about beauty hacks that have been tested by time, refined by generations, and are now being validated by modern science. And the best part? Your great-grandmother was basically a zero-waste beauty guru before it was cool, and she probably had better skin than most Instagram influencers. Let's start with something that's going to make you never look at your morning coffee the same way again. Those coffee grounds you throw away every single day, they're basically liquid gold for your skin. I'm not even kidding. Coffee grounds contain antioxidants, natural oils, and the perfect level of abrasiveness for exfoliation that costs beauty companies millions to replicate in their fancy scrubs. Here's the science that'll blow your mind. Coffee grounds contain chlorogenic acid, which is the same anti-aging compound that high-end skincare brands extract and sell back to you for $50 an ounce. But you're literally throwing it away every morning. Mix those used coffee grounds with a tiny bit of coconut oil, and you've just created an exfoliating scrub that outperforms most department store products. But wait, it gets better. The caffeine in coffee grounds actually improves blood circulation when applied topically. That's why expensive eye creams brag about containing caffeine. Meanwhile, you could be gently patting cool coffee grounds under your eyes for the same effect, and your skin will thank you while your wallet stays happy. I tried this for 2 weeks, and I'm not exaggerating when I say people started asking me what expensive treatment I was getting. The answer? Literally garbage from my kitchen counter. Now let's talk about avocados. And no, I'm not going to lecture you about avocado toast. I'm going to tell you about the biggest beauty secret hiding in plain sight. That avocado pit you throw away, it contains more antioxidants than the fruit itself. I know, your mind is officially blown. Ancient Aztec women used to grind avocado pits into powder and mix it with water to create face masks. Modern research has discovered that avocado pit powder contains 70% more antioxidants than the flesh of the avocado. We're talking about compounds that fight aging, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production. Beauty companies spend fortunes trying to synthesize these compounds in laboratories while you're throwing the source directly into your compost bin. Here's how you unlock the secret. After you eat your avocado, let the pit dry for about a week. Then, and this is important, carefully grate it or grind it in a toffee grinder. Mix the powder with a little honey or yogurt, and you've created a face mask that would cost $80 at a high-end spa. The results are absolutely incredible, and the only side effect is feeling slightly smug about outsmarting the entire beauty industry. But here's my favorite part about this hack. While influencers are spending hundreds on anti-aging serums, you're literally creating better products from what most people consider trash. It's like having a beauty laboratory in your kitchen. Speaking of kitchen laboratories, let's dive into something that's going to make you rethink every grain of rice you've ever cooked. Rice water isn't just an ancient Asian beauty secret anymore. It's scientifically proven to be one of the most effective natural hair and skin treatments on the planet, and you've been pouring it down the drain your entire life. Here's the fascinating science behind this. Rice water contains amino acids, vitamins B and E, minerals, and something called inositol, which promotes cell growth and slows down the aging process. Japanese women have been using rice water for over 1,000 years, and there's historical documentation of court ladies having hair that touched the floor because of their rice water treatments. But modern research has taken this ancient wisdom and proven it in laboratories. Rice water can increase hair elasticity by up to 230%, reduce surface friction that causes tangles, and improve overall hair health better than most commercial conditioners. For your skin, the starch in rice water acts as a natural brightening agent and gentle exfoliant. The process is embarrassingly simple. Next time you cook rice, save the water you would normally drain away. Let it sit for about 30 minutes to ferment slightly, which increases its potency. Then use it as a hair rinse or facial toner. That's it. You've just created a beauty product that outperforms items costing $50 to $100 using something you would have literally poured down the sink. I started doing this 6 months ago, and my hairdresser asked me what expensive treatment I was getting. When I told her it was rice water, she actually started recommending it to other clients. Now, prepare yourself for something that sounds absolutely crazy, but is backed by solid science. Banana peels aren't just compost material, they're actually one of nature's most sophisticated skincare treatments, and the research behind this is going to make you question everything you know about beauty waste. Scientists have discovered that banana peels contain potassium, vitamin A, lutein, and antioxidants that are specifically effective for treating acne, reducing inflammation, and improving skin texture. But here's where it gets really interesting. The inside of a banana peel has natural enzymes that can help fade dark spots and acne scars over time. In several studies, people who rubbed the inside of banana peels on their skin for just 5 minutes daily showed significant improvement in skin clarity and reduction of blemishes within 2 weeks. The potassium in banana peels helps regulate skin moisture, while the antioxidants fight free radical damage that causes aging. I was skeptical about this one, I'll admit. Rubbing banana peels on your face sounds like something from a weird home remedy blog. But the science is legitimate, and the results speak for themselves. After incorporating this into my routine, my skin texture improved noticeably, and I stopped getting those annoying breakouts around my chin. The best part? Instead of throwing banana peels in the trash where they'll produce methane gas in landfills, you're giving them a second life as a skincare treatment. It's literally turning waste into beauty. Let's talk about something that's going to revolutionize your entire beauty cabinet. 1 jar of coconut oil can replace about 15 different beauty products, and I'm about to prove it to you with science that'll make you want to throw out half your bathroom cabinet. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. This makes it perfect for removing makeup, including waterproof mascara, without the harsh chemicals found in commercial makeup removers. But it doesn't stop there. The same properties make it an excellent moisturizer that actually penetrates skin better than most synthetic lotions. Here's where it gets really interesting. Coconut oil can be used as a deodorant because it kills the bacteria that cause body odor. It works as a deep conditioning hair treatment because its molecular structure is small enough to actually penetrate the hair shaft. It can replace your expensive lip balm, cuticle cream, body lotion, and even your shaving cream. I did an experiment where I replaced my entire skincare routine with just coconut oil and a few other natural ingredients for a month. Not only did my skin improve dramatically, but I calculated that I saved over $300 that month alone. Plus, I reduced my bathroom plastic waste by about 80%. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Commercial beauty products are essentially trying to replicate what coconut oil does naturally. They add synthetic versions of the compounds found naturally in coconut oil, package them in plastic containers, mark the price up 500%, and sell them back to us as revolutionary skincare. Now let's dive into something that's probably sitting in your pantry right now, completely unaware of its beauty superpowers. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast anymore. It's about to become your skin's best friend, and the science behind this is absolutely fascinating. Oats contain compounds called aventramides, which are potent anti-inflammatory agents that can soothe irritated skin better than many prescription treatments. They also contain saponins, which are natural cleansing agents that gently remove dirt and oil without stripping your skin's natural moisture barrier. And that's it. Simple changes that make a big impact. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with someone who'd love to try a more sustainable routine. Subscribe to Infinite Infotainment and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more smart hacks that can transform your lifestyle. See you in the next one.